Hey you guys, I'm so excited for today. So this is a jewelry dresser I've had for a long time, probably since I was 11, which was quite a while ago. And I've just really been tired of it, and I just want something different. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna paint it, we're gonna gild the handles and see how it goes. This is something I do use a lot. I have a lot of costume type jewelry. I don't have a lot of valuables, but these drawers are full. I probably need to declutter, but that's a job for another day. I work full time. I'm doing this stuff on the side, so mama's only got so much time to do stuff, right? So anyway, if that sounds good, hang out with me and we'll see how it goes.
1, 2, 3.
So to get started, I just need to clean off the top and use my TSP spray to get all the dust and grime and anything like that off it that'll interfere with the paint. These are some pretty tiny screws, so I was really glad to find I had a screwdriver for them. You never know. I guess it pays to keep all the extra tools you're not sure if you need. I'm going to put all these little pieces in a baggie so I don't misplace them. I would hate to lose one of these little screws because it would be very hard to replace. For me anyway, I'm challenged, so I really need the things that were on it to all be there when I need them. So I'm using the color I use for my Art Deco vanity. It's Jolie paint in the color Legacy. I wanted a cohesive look, so that's why I went with the same color. I've got some busy Art Nouveau wallpaper, and so I want my furniture, these two pieces anyway, to have a cohesive look. It helps counterbalance that busyness of the wallpaper.
Oh, privilegiados de movido igual ao seu. Eu posso apenas o que Deus me deu. Se você insiste em classificar.
We got a first coat going here. Coverage is pretty good, but for sure we'll need a second. So we'll let this dry and then we'll hit it again tomorrow. I've got Wise Owl Furniture Salve in Lavendar this time.
Meu comportamento diante musical. Meu mesmo mentido devo argumentar que isto é vossa nova, que isto é muito natural. O que você não sabe nem sequer presente é que eu desafinado também tenho coração. Fotografei você na minha...
Getting ready to make some gold handles. I'm not using the gilding papers like I did for my Art Deco vanity. I thought that'd be too challenging because these are pretty tiny. You can tell when I put up my finger by it how small they are. But I'm trying this Fusion mineral paint. So see how it goes.
Revelou-se a sua nova ingratidão. Só não poderá falar assim de meu amor. Este é o maior que você pode encontrar, viu? Você como a sua música.
this one has 2 coats of the gold and this one has 1, so I can see they're gonna need 2 coats apiece.
Che no peito dos desafinados, no fondo do peito bater calado.
Yay, we made it to the finish line. So what do you think? I think it's a great improvement. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna love it for many more years now. It cost a little under $100, probably $60 to get the paint and the wax and everything. So I think that's well worth it. This is solid wood, so you're not gonna go these days and get something solid wood for that price, or double that even. Now maybe an antique store. There's a lot of great pieces. I think that's a well hidden secret right now. I hope that things swing back to carved furniture, old furniture, and when it does, there won't be any more in the antique stores because there's so many beautiful pieces there, solid wood. So I think that's something that's gonna break out here pretty soon. Bear, really? Come on, Bear. He's got his ball. It is really hard to pick a time when Bear's not feeling sparky. So anyway, I'm going to show you some stage pictures at the end. Thank you so much for joining me. This was so much fun, and you helped me get another job on my chore list done. So thank you. Next time we'll get back to an oil painting. But anyway, thank you so much for hanging with me, helping me get this finished. And again, you are a masterpiece. There really is no one like you, and I am so glad we are friends. Bear is too.